In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button on a related list in Salesforce. This process will take about 5 minutes, and by the end, you'll have a customized action button ready to go on your Salesforce page layout. To begin, open Salesforce. Once you're there, you'll want to navigate to the Setup area. You'll see the Object Manager listed there, which is the control center for managing your objects, both standard and custom. Once you're inside the Object Manager, the next step is to select the child object. This is the specific object linked to your parent object where you want to add the button in the related list. After selecting the child object, you'll need to go to the section titled Buttons, Links, and Actions. It's here where the magic happens. Click on New Action. This option allows you to define an action that can be triggered via your new button. When you click on this, a form will appear where you'll need to fill in all the necessary information about the action you want to create. This can include the type of action, its label, and other specific details pertinent to your use case. Once the form is complete, don't forget to hit Save. This step solidifies all the hard work you just put in. Now it's time to customize the layout for this new action. This will ensure it appears the way you want it to and functions correctly. Next, you'll need to focus on the parent object. Think of this as the main object you are working with, which holds the child objects in its related list. Find the Page Layouts section for this parent object and scroll down to find the related list that contains your child object. This is an important step because you want to make sure the button is placed where it will be functional and visible to users. You'll notice a wrench icon for that related list. Click on this icon as it enables you to fine-tune the configuration. This tool lets you modify the list settings, and it includes a section for buttons. In the Buttons section, select the quick action you just created. Double-check to make sure it's the one you meant to add. Finally, make sure to save the page layout. This last step ensures that all your changes are applied and visible to anyone who accesses the page. And just like that, you've successfully added a button to a related list in Salesforce. You're now ready to utilize this new button to improve user interactions and streamline processes. Thank you for watching, and happy Salesforce customizing.